What's up guys, Mike Beard here, the founder of Esk8Con. My team and I are super stoked to see you guys in a few short days, but we do want to cover a few things before you all arrive. First things first, you do need a general admission ticket to get in. Those tickets are accessed via email. So what you'll do is you'll go to your confirmation email, click the download link, and there you'll be able to add it either to your phone wallet or you can screenshot your QR code. Now, please try to get your QR code figured out, whether you print it or screenshot it beforehand, so that way you don't have to hold yourself up in line. So get that QR code, save it to your photos, and you'll be good to go. Once we scan you in, you'll be getting your event badge. Now, that event badge will act as your ticket for the remaining 3 days. So definitely keep an eye on it. Don't lose it. That'll allow you to get in and out of the event, no questions asked. You'll also get your swag bag. And then if you did get a t-shirt, you'll want to go to the concession stand to pick your t-shirt up. Speaking of concessions, the famous super cheap $1, $2 Esk8Con concessions are back. If you're looking for something a little bit more filling, there are tons of bars and restaurants in the immediate vicinity around La Malade. So definitely go and support the local business. Now, speaking of bars, Esk8Con is not one. So we have to keep the alcohol on the outside of the fences. This is a sporting event, but it's a little different. We've got athletes, we've got spectators. We just don't have the permitting for alcohol. So please, no alcohol within Esk8Con. And one more thing we do have to touch on is our dogs. Are they allowed to come? Well, the city of Las Vegas and the permit that they've issued us only allow for ADA recognized support animals. That means your pets, your emotional support animals, you'll have to make other arrangements. We are not allowed to invite them, unfortunately. That's just how the permit goes. And we have to take that information and send it to you guys. No alcohol, no dogs. I know it's a bummer, but we're just trying to keep everybody super safe. That's all we want to do, is have a safe event that goes smoothly. Speaking of safety, helmets. If you plan on riding the track at all, whether you're racing or just demoing boards, you must wear a helmet on the track at all times. No exceptions. If we catch you out there without a helmet, I think everybody's just going to get together and boo you or something, but you can't have no helmet on. It is what it is. That's it, guys. Can't wait to see you all Friday, 9 a.m. We'll see you there.